All right, welcome. So we're going to install Node.js, and Node.js is an open source, a cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside a web browser. So we'll be using Node.js to run our packages. That's using npm to install some packages. So to do that, to download Node.js, go to Google and search for Node.js download. So it's gonna show you the nodejs.org/download. You click on it and that will bring you here. So you can choose whatever operating system you are using. So I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows. If you're using Mac, you can click Mac, and then there's the source code option as well. So under window we have the installer. So I'm gonna use the installer, which is the first one here. There is 32-bit and 64-bit. My system is 64-bit, so I'm gonna click 64. So depending on your um the version of your window. So if I click on 64 bits, so it's going to start downloading. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So next is to double click on it to install it. So it's going to compute requirement space for a few minutes. So after which you're going to click the next button here. So you accept terms and condition. Next, 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 install. Yes. It's gonna take few minutes to complete installation. All right, so our node has completed. So we click finish. So then we take the next step.